For our school, Purple Mash has been a fantastic tool. It's ingrained within our school now and is used across all subjects.
We use Purple Mash because it's simple to use, it's dead easy to follow. We use it each year because it develops the children's skills, the teachers' knowledge and teachers' skills as well. It's something that the progression from early years up to year 6 is great, and it helps develop that, so it means that we're not having to reinvent the wheel every 5 minutes. It's there for us straight away, and that progression is there all the time.
It has the whole curriculum there in front of you, ready to use. It doesn't take an expert in computing to be able to use the programs of studies that are available. It's very easy for the children to use. It's also very easy to use on any kind of platform or any computer that the schools may have.
Obviously planning is a massive aspect. All the resources are ready made for us, they're there to be used. You cherry pick the ones that are relevant for your class. So as I've mentioned, we're doing about the ancient Romans, so I'll look through the subject of history within Purple Mash and I'll pick out anything that I think will help the children. And then I set it as a to-do for the class, and then when they log into Purple Mash, they see the to-do list, they pick out the modules that I've set them, the units, and they've got a date that needs to be done by.
Basically everything's saved on Purple Mash. We've recently went through an Ofsted and I was able to pull up all the Purple Mash stuff straight off the system and show that off straight away. So we can monitor that way as well. We can mark on there, we can target which children need that extra bit of support and things. If they haven't completed all the tasks, we can see that as well.
It's a time-saving tool, but also it's a really good assessment tool to use to see how well the children are doing across the board. So this isn't me just speaking from history, this is speaking as a primary school teacher. So across all subjects we can set tasks. That's what I find it the most useful thing for, is that we use it across all subjects.
Some teachers' confidence is very low. The understanding is very clear for them to use. Any misconceptions that they might have is always covered within the kind of the lessons that they're doing, and so the children again benefit from the teachers knowing exactly what and how to teach certain units of computing.
And it just saves us time within printing and money. There's such a broad range of activities that we can pick for the children to use on there that they find it they're really excited to use Purple Mash.
As a school leader, we continue to invest in Purple Mash and Too Simple each year, although budgets are still tight, because we see the benefit for our children and the professional development it provides our staff.
Purple Mash to our school means it's simple to use, it's easy to follow, it develops all the children's and staff's skills, and it's engaging.